Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5062553, because of this error code, that is 0x8024001e. So the first step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows Update and click on pause over here. Pause the update. This process may take some time, and then resume updates. So just pause and resume the updates and then check. Still not working. The next step is to start App Readiness service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find App Readiness, make a double click and then set this to automatic, and then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run update troubleshooter. To run update troubleshooter, go to settings, go to system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot over here, and then click on other troubleshooters, and over here you will see Windows Update. Click on run, and this will open this troubleshoot screen. Now on this screen it may take some time, so here you can see it's taking time. Sometimes this troubleshooter works, sometimes it does not. So in my case I have always received the error, so it's not loading till now. Let me close it and then launch it once again. And over here you can see run the Windows Update troubleshooter, and then you will see an option that says I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Click on this one, and then here you can see can we run Windows Update automated diagnostic. Click on yes. Just follow the on-screen instruction and then you can check. If that does not work, the next step is to restart Windows Update and background intelligent transfer service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, click on Windows Update, make a double click and then click on set startup type to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, and with this selected, make a right click, then click on restart, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and if there is any update, you will see update now option or install now option. You can update it and then check. In my case, it is already up to date. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description, and over here write down the name of the update, that is KB5062553, and then click on search over here, and over here you can see Windows 11 version 24H2 for x64 based system. This is the right one for me. You can check what kind of system you have. You can go to system in Windows settings and then go to about option, and over here you can see in my case it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system. So this is the right one, and then click on download, and then you can click on this KB5062553, and then once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. Just click on it once the download is complete and then restart your computer. You can even install this one and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to reset Windows Update components. Now for this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here and then type in Notepad in Windows search box and then click on Notepad and then paste all the command over here. Go to file and then click on save as. You can set the location as desktop and then you can name this file as wuauserv.bat and then click on for save as type, select all files and then click on save. Now you can go to desktop, make a right click on wuauserv.bat file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you run this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services. If you see this prompt, do you want to continue with this operation? Type in Y for yes, hit the enter key. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. And once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. Once this is complete, it will automatic close. That will be an automatic close. Once the process is complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use option fix problem using Windows Update. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option. Scroll down, click on recovery option over here. And then over here, you can see the option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. Now click on reinstall now. And this process will again take some time. And once this is complete, now you can check. Now still not working. If nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will again take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down here, you can see create Windows 11 installation media creation tool. So you have to click on download now. Click on download now and then run this exe file once the download is complete. Now once you run the exe file, you will see this screen. You have to click on accept over here and then click on, by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next over here and then again over here select ISO file. Select ISO file and then click on next over here and then set the location as desktop. You can set it anywhere, but I am selecting desktop. You can set it to desktop and then now click on save over here and let the download complete. This process will take some time and once this is done, you will see finish option. Hit finish. Now once you hit finish, it may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close this. So let it close automatically. And once this is done, you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then you will see this setup file. Make a double click on setup file and then you can click on yes to allow and then click on next over here and then click on accept over here. And then this process will again take some time and here you can see ready to install. By default, keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then you can click on install. Install will take some time and once the installation is complete, you can log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 and you should be able to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.